Whether you're starting an event planning business or already have an established company, you know how important it is to have a strong visual identity to help your brand grow and succeed. Placeit makes it easy to boost your brand's image with simple-to-use tools to create a brand new logo, flyers, business cards, and so much more. In just a couple of clicks, you can quickly and easily create a professional logo that will help your event planning business stand out from the competition and help your customers remember your brand. Whether you specialize in one type of event, like weddings, or you organize everything from company parties to rock concerts, Placeit has a logo template that is perfect for your brand. Placeit's business card templates let you quickly create modern and attractive business cards that you can be proud to use to promote your services and your customers will actually want to hang on to. And if the event you're organizing needs flyers, Placeit has you covered there too. With tons of flyer templates that look amazing regardless of what event you want to promote, your customers will be satisfied and you won't need to hire a designer to create them for you. And we're just scratching the surface. Placeit also has social media image makers and even Instagram video creators that you can use to promote your brand and your customers' events online and offline. And if you're really serious about taking your event planning business to the next level, be sure to check out Placeit's unlimited subscription. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to every single one of these assets and so much more. So if you're ready to take the next step, be sure to check out the links in the description for more tutorials and steps on how to take your event planning business to the next level.